Verdict was read. 49-year-old Kassim Alhimidi was found guilty of first-degree murder in the death of 32-year-old Shaima Alawadi, a mother of 5.
We have complete team coverage on the verdict and reaction from family members in the courtroom. We begin now with NBC7's Rory Devine.
Monica and Catherine, based on what I've seen as I've covered this trial, I really sort of expected there to be some sort of reaction from the defendant, whether he was found guilty or not guilty. He's been very emotional during this trial, and at times his lawyer had to tell him to calm down. What I did not expect is what happened after the guilty verdict was read.
She yelled at him. She said, "This is not a mistake. You did kill her." She believes it. That's what she said. "I believe you killed her."
That is the victim's mother. Her comments aimed at her son-in-law, 49-year-old Kassim Alhimidi, who yelled back at her that he was unjustly put on trial for the murder of his wife. 32-year-old Shaima Alawadi was found brutally beaten in the family's El Cajon home in March of 2012. At first, it was investigated as a hate crime. Both the victim and Alhimidi immigrated from Iraq, and first responders found a note at the scene that read, quote, "This is my country, go back to yours, terrorists." As the yelling and screaming continued in court, the oldest son sided with his dad that his dad is not the killer, while the youngest son sided with his grandmother. All the while, Alhimidi proclaiming his innocence.
He was seeking help from the family to seek international help and to look at it as this was a hate crime to begin with, and this was unfair trial and unjustly. God knows. God is the only one that knows I'm not the killer.
The court was in recess for about 5 minutes as the jury was whisked away, some of them leaving the courtroom in tears. When the court proceedings began, sentencing was set for May 14th. Reporting live, I'm Rory Devine, NBC7.